Bang bang, what's up YouTube? Murtacus back here for you guys another video of my SLK 230. Got the drop top down and yeah, let's get straight into it. But yeah guys, what's up? Let's get straight into it. Car's already on. Beautiful day out right now. Says it was gonna storm, but luckily I think we lucked out. But yeah dude, this car is so sweet. Shout out to all the viewers. Love making these little videos for you guys. It's a nice neighborhood. This is like brand new. They still haven't done the road yet on it. Oh yeah. This thing's sweet. I gotta watch out right here. Yeah, see how like the road right there, it's like unpaved pretty much. Oh yeah. We'll take a right here. I'm actually gonna go shoot an M3 like with pictures, but I was like, let me just do a quick GoPro video for you guys. Oh my god dude, this thing rips. This thing rips. And like the drop top experience is so nice. I'm gonna put the windows up so you guys can hear me. But there's a huge difference when you have the windows up and down in terms of like talking. My little brother, he's a pro esports player. He just visited me and we took a drive to the mall, and we had like a good conversation with the windows up compared to the windows down. So they engineered this car like crazy. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I just added a Jensen radio to the car, and it is superb. It has Bluetooth and as well as charging. I was just charging the GoPro through it. But yeah guys, this thing is sweet. Oh, we got a Cadillac. We're approaching another car. But yeah, this road is so nice too because it's like shaded. But it's pretty hot out. I'd say it says 86, I believe it. It's kind of humid. I can't even tell. It's pretty hot. I'm definitely sweating. But yeah, like I was saying guys, quick update on the car. It's been running really good. The only issue that I've had is the fuel pump's probably pretty weak. I haven't looked up how to clean it. I know there's a fuel filter that they say to clean on the forums, so I'll probably look into that. But when it gets to like under a quarter tank, the car is not happy at all. But this thing's really good on gas, surprisingly. It is an inline 4, so it kind of just like sips on the gas depending how you drive it. But if you just drive it pretty chill, it actually gets pretty good gas mileage for a German car. But other than that, definitely gonna do some like suspension work. Probably gonna change the struts out first. But other than that, this car has just been such a good daily, honestly. I've been driving it pretty much daily. I take it to the gym a lot. And it's pretty versatile in the sense that the hardtop, it's a hardtop convertible. Oh, excuse the beeping noise. I'll just rip it. It will go away. but it beeps because the top I put down manually, and it does not like it on the computer. But it will stop beeping eventually. There it goes. But like I was saying, I take it to the gym a lot, and the versatility of like the hard top, super nice. Because I was looking online at soft tops, and they can get damaged a lot easier compared to a hard top convertible. And the fact that I can do it manually, if you haven't checked that out, check out my video on how to do it. It's on my channel. It makes this car so much better in that regard. But other than that, I mean, I've driven like maybe 2,000 or 3,000 miles since I got it. I think I got it with like 80K, and now it's at 83,395. And the transmission feels really good. There's another rip. Yeah, this thing hauls. Transmission feels really good. It is a 5-speed transmission, and honestly, it still feels really good. I'll probably have to change the fluid at some point. I definitely need to bleed the brakes, but the brake pads are pretty good. All I've done really is just change the headlights and the front tires, and I did an oil change. And I also replaced the air intake. I put a custom air intake. That's also on my channel if you are interested. That's how it gets the oh my gosh, it's pretty loud. I will say though, with the dual air intake, it's a little less responsive, just because I think it's just sucking so much air in. But other than that, it's been pretty flawless. I mean, no complaints. I love the sound it makes. And yeah, the other thing on my to-do list with this car is probably some like paint correction. This car has been sitting pretty much its whole life, I want to say, at least for a good amount of years before I got my hands on it. I believe I'm the 3rd owner, and the second owner, I checked the Carfax on this car. It was flawless. Makes sense because it feels really good driving this car. But yeah, dude, this thing is so sweet. Wish I could give my viewers a ride in the passenger seat. And yeah, this thing just goes. Yeah, like it just keeps going and going. Never really loses power. I haven't really found a good place to do the top speed on it yet. There is like there is a drag strip that I might take it on just to floor it. But other than that, the rear wheel drive system is super good. Can do like little, you know, like drifts and stuff coming out of corners. And with the traction control off, let me show you. As you can see, I have it off right now, but look at that mean warning symbol on when you take it off. But yeah, this car's been a lot of fun so far. If you're in the market, I definitely recommend looking at them. Just make sure that you know, it's been somewhat maintained. I had to change out basically all the fluids. But other than that, this thing's been such a dream to drive. But yeah, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace.